kind of have a new addiction here, and that is hitting local auctions. Welcome to our ranch adventures, y'all.
What's up, our ranch adventures? I got bored during the week and got financially irresponsible. I went to the auction and picked up Brexton, a new skid steer. It is a 23 horsepower ATS. We're gonna see what it does.
It's made out of Chinesium.
But quality Chinesium, maybe, kind of, sort of. It's got the Zonsen motor in it, which is basically a Honda clone. It feels like it's gonna have plenty of power. We've got some ideas on stuff we'd like to do with it. We're gonna run it through the ringer this weekend, but before we do any fun activities, we've got some work to do. On these units, we've got to go through and change the hydraulic oil on it because basically overseas they use vegetable oil, which is no bueno. So we're gonna go ahead and update the hydraulic oil to something more sturdy and go after it and start playing around.
My dirter. My dirter. Put it in reverse, Terry. Oh, peekaboo. That looks safe.
What's that?
Oh, nothing.
This is my jack stand. All right, so there's our drain hole for the hydraulic oil. We've got a turkey pan, and we're about to let it drain.
Are we gonna need more than one turkey pan, or you think that's good?
More than one.
More than one? Okay, coming.
So glad we didn't do this on the shop floor.
What can I do to help you?
Oh, I don't know. Find a way to get this pan out.
Yon. Oh! It's nice and clear, though. Here's another pan, in case you need a third.
Go past this one. We're just SOL. We might go past this one.
Do you need another one for real?
I might. Yeah, looking like it. Yep.
Oh, pan number 4. Bucket number 4.
That sesame oil? Time for some wontons?
So this is the new hydraulic oil?
Yes, ma'am. We're putting a AW 46 weight hydraulic oil in it. Same stuff we run in the mini excavator.
Just gonna have to try not to make a mess here.
It's just like hitting the toilet, buddy.
Oh, great.
I'm pretty good at both.
And you didn't even have to sit down.
All right, we are now topped off with hydraulic fluid. You can see in there in that sight glass, we're all the way to the top of the range. Should be in good shape here. We're gonna get the cap back on it first, and then we'll close the heat exchanger.
Yeah, it's good and clean.
I'd say you're there.
Decent dipstick, that's for sure. It's nice and rigid.
All in all, crawling around this thing so far, kind of impressed. It's decently put together. I mean, it's no Bobcat, but curious to see how she runs.
No tip, so that's good with a full bucket of wet clay. So another thing that Cole picked up at auction was a hydraulic grapple. It did not come with the skid steer. It was purchased separately, so we're hooking it up here and giving her a whirl, see how she works.
good tool in this application?
Those?
Yep.
Oh, look at you
Would you look at it?
boys.
Just
Look at it. Would you look at that?
Thanks, Wrecker Rick. All right. You gonna do it? All right. I'm gonna. Good. Hold on. All right, go ahead. Good. A little more. Good. Thank you.
You got grease on you?
I got this on me.
There you go.
Yeah, he's got the grease. The go-go juice.
So some of these skid steers, you have to like get up on top of the motor to fill them up. So this one, the tank is actually in a pretty halfway decent spot to fill up.
Time for lunch.
Is that a good napkin? Hello there. Are you enjoying this content? We sure hope so, because we tried, and that's what matters. If you do, in fact, like this content or just want to see more stupidity, give us a like, subscribe, and hit that little notification bell so it'll let you know next time we post something that may or may not be intelligent. See you in a little bit.
My bucket's bigger than your bucket. The good thing about this thing is it gets into small spaces.
So the other thing that we got at this auction was the 6.5 horsepower Vibratory Compactor.
It's a ground stimulator, all right.
And this is for packing dirt and rocks and stuff around the property. Try it out. It is another one of them Chinese power tools.
So we must pause for a moment here to see what the little one just brought out of the cabin. What'd you get?
I got this.
You got that. Is that for Lolly?
That's for me.
For you. Bad influence on this child. These boys and their Murphy Diesel mini pocket pliers. They will find whatever reason they can to use them. Murphy's Diesel is offering a giveaway of a truck and a big old travel trailer.
That's my truck. Fat Fanny Annie coming home. Stay
So
off his website. So like, I got like a 1 day, 6 hours, 52 minutes, and 33 seconds or something like that. Then you can go look at it. Until then.
So exciting.
Super exciting. I don't think I have any oil to go in here.
One's threaded, one's not.
You're not even close. So far, this auction buy. Which first impression?
It's got some bad threads and some crooked as crap bolts, but it's got to be deep.
Do you like this?
Just like that. Keep going. Keep going. Push down. Ready?
Guys, so
Good job. Hey. Pump the brakes with your hammer.
He's learning from his Hops and his dad.
hey, do it hot.
I'm not real sure, buddy.
Heard that? Well, did I heard that?
I heard that. All right, let's slide over there. All done.
John?
All done. High five. More. There you go.
Good job. Oh, you did it. High five. Nice. I'm sorry.
So far, there is not high hopes for this piece of equipment. We shall see. Sometimes at auction you win, and sometimes at auction you just never know what you're going to get.
Mama, can you get this? Dad?
Hey, did you steal my pocket pliers?
Has oil in it?
Sesame, vegetable, or motor?
Okay, so gas is in. Time to give it a try.
Built like a honey bucket. It'll still work. This ain't gonna be luxury.
Hey y'all, we have a new addiction here at Our Ranch Adventures. It's called buying crap at auctions. Cole, what did you get?
I bought a big green Ryobi colored piece of Chinesium. This is a ATS T460 mini skid steer with a 23 horse V-twin Zonsen, basically a Honda clone, and a Grapple.
What'd you get?
Well, I got this Vibratory Compactor. It also has a Zonsen engine on it, which I believe is also a Honda clone. 6.5 horsepower. The reason I got this is because we have some projects coming up where we're going to be putting gravel down a road base on this pad, and I'm going to want to compact it in really tight. And if I rented one of these, it's going to cost me like 70 to 100 bucks a day. Or if I rented a vibratory roller, that could be as much as $300 a day. So I opted to do this so I could just take my time doing it and hopefully save a little money in the long run, because I did get a deal at an auction. As long as this Chinesium holds together, we will be good to go. Hey, if you like this content, please smash that like button and subscribe. And as always, you, go have an adventure of your own. Thanks for watching, guys. Check out my Zonsen. It's 6.5 horsepower.
There's 2-pump system. One, 2 pump.
2 pump jump.
Got a big vibrator.
Oh my gosh.
It's a compactor, and it goes all over the ground to make it hard so the dirt don't float away.
There is a lack of maturity on this channel, just FYI.
We started right up when I had the choke in the right position, and it ran really good too. It didn't run worth a crap when I had the choke in the wrong position. But once I figured out my errors and my ways,
It wasn't your fault. The sticker was backwards.
No, I read it backwards.
Okay, I was trying to help you.
Yeah, thanks. No, I totally screwed up.
I'm sorry. Hold on. Can you say that again,
No,
please?
ma'am. One time and one time only. You go have an adventure of your own.
Go stimulate yourself.
Thank you for watching.
This went south in a hurry.